This guide will walk you through the steps to existing users using FleetOnGo. You can view your profile here and update your details or change your password. Click on Users to expand the section. Navigate to existing users. Click Add New User to create. Write the first name and last name, and select the date of birth. Enter your address, city, mobile number, and email ID in the respective fields. Select the company branch, station assigned and your designation. To create a new designation, click the plus icon. Choose the department. If it's not available, click the plus icon to add one. Then, select your supervisor and enter the date of joining. Fill the bank details. Navigate to Save and Exit, and if you want to create a new, you can click Save and Create New. Click here to expand the section. Select the Show option after writing the username, or any field. You can see the user list. Click Edit to modify the records. Click Update and Exit to update the records. Remove the selected record if not needed. Navigate to Archived Users. Select the Search option. Enter she in the provided field. After deleting, the user's record will be moved to Archived Users, where you can view deleted user details. Select the option to activate the user. This guide covered the steps to existing users in FleetOnGo.